Hello, welcome to High Life, Low Life. And today, our window broke. So, okay, the window didn't break. They don't go up and down. So we'll turn the ignition on either that button. Nothing. That one, nothing. So, I'm pretty sure the problem's in here. So I'm just going to take that off. And it's really easy. I mean, one screw here. And this just pies up. Then it's pushing open that, pushing open that. There we go. Now we've done that, it's just 3 screws. One there. And 2 on the back. Now that separates that from that. So that part, we'll just put that away for a moment. Then we got to take this switch off, which just sort of pushes together and pops out. And now we got to take this cover off of there. It's got like these little tabs, 1, 2, 3. Same on that side, 1, 2, 3. And just gonna pop them. Just gonna grab my trusty knife and use that. There you go. And now we're down to that. And take this off, just pop these 2 off. Like so. We're down to the last bit. Leave them there for a minute. Let's go inside and have a look at the board. So looking at the board, it's not too bad on the top here. It's a bit dirty. They will make noise. Driver's one's different, it's a slide, which is kind of cool. So that's how your auto up works. All the components look pretty good. It's the lock. We flip it over, and these are the rear ones. So you see just there. Just there is a break in the solder. It should look like that. But it's all burnt out. So we're going to solder that up. So the iron's hot. Just going to put a little bit of flux on it. And then I'm going to cut a bit of the solder off and just lay it on it. And just put some heat to it. Just going to apply a little bit of flux right there. parts in with me. So that just pops back in there. That back on there. Snaps together. Quite a bit of satisfaction. Button works. Switches feel like they work. Go put the cover back on. So before I screw it back in, I'm just going to plug it all in. Alright, turn the ignition on. And it doesn't do anything. The other windows work. Auto down. Doesn't like to do the auto up. Still nothing on that one. And nothing on that switch. Fun times. So I think what we're going to do is take the door pod off. Interesting development. What I've noticed is going up, you can only hear the click of the switch, but going down, there is a click of like the motor trying to move. So maybe it isn't the switch that's dead, and maybe just the up bit is. So I will keep at it, and hopefully we'll have a window going up soon. Busy name. My little one decided to touch the switch for the first time, and now it doesn't work. Oh, it's not his fault. All right, let's keep going. So if I push the down, you get 11 and a bit volts, and to go up, we're only getting half the voltage. Maybe that's the reason why it's not going up. So what I'm gonna do is I've just unplugged it. I'm gonna try and, if it'll let me, plug it in the wrong way so I can put it up, but I don't think it's going to let me because there's a little relief on the bottom there and there is not on the top. So unless I break it, I'm good at doing that. I don't think it'll work, but we'll give it a go. See if we can make it fit. Probably not. But let's try it anyway. So, window regulator's out. I might not have needed to do that, but yeah, I'm still not getting the voltage I think I should be when you push the up. But I needed to get the window up for tonight, so I'm going to call it there. But yeah, we'll try putting some voltage to it tomorrow to see if it goes up. But for now, I'm gonna have to leave it. I'll just wedge a lump of wood under that so it don't get wet because it's due to rain tomorrow. Right, see you tomorrow or later. Okay, so a breakthrough. Hello again, new day. So a breakthrough today. I did the door handle a little bit earlier on that side. So I took the door off, card thing off, so I can have a play with the switch from this side. Okay, I've already got the regulator out because I was sure it was the motor and the regulator, but it works off this switch. So off of the door, other side's door panel, which means it's this little thing that's broken. So I'm going to take this door panel back off. We're going to try this switch again and hope it works. Put this door panel back and we can try this and hopefully put it all back together again. and buy a new switch. But I think what I'll do is put it back together again, take the switch from this one for the time being, so I can put the window up in the up position, not the down position. And then, yes, either get a replacement switch or try and fix this one. Yeah, we should be able to fix this one. Just take it apart, you solder it, you know, put it back together again. What's going to be hard about that? Yes, breakthrough, woohoo! So, I've just put the switch back in, and nada. Not even down. So, new switch, or repair the switch. Either or, something's going to get fixed. Bit of an update. So, we've got the regulator back in. It just wiggles through that hole. And then, one bolt down here, two here. And then, three for the regulator. The regulator's got some... our duct tape gave way. But that's okay, the regulator isn't. And then there's these three. Go here. Hold that. Just waz these up. Torqued. Alright, don't forget our speaker. Plug him in, that will tell us roughly where it's going to go. Just like that. Just thinking, don't really want to put the speaker back because that's how I get to the nut bolt of the glass, because the glass is now at the bottom. Just put that up out of the way. So we've got two smaller ones, silver, the only two that was silver, and they do bolts for the glass. So the glass has already dropped because the duct tape gave way. Maybe not the strongest thing known to man. And that's the one there. I can do that up with me duck. Just do it up loose. And the other one is in there. So still quite loud. But the window's shut, so that's all that matters really at the minute. And all I gotta do is replace the switch, and to do that it just pops out. See, there's two little holes, and that's where that clip there goes in, and it just literally squeezes in, and it's one little plug. So I'm gonna call that done, and leave you from here. So if that was helpful for you, please like and subscribe, and we will catch you again on another episode of High Life, Low Life. See you later.